Alright, let's look at the homework 4.4, 4.5, problem number 9. Alright, so we want to find the value of A, B, C, and D that satisfies the following matrix equation. Alright, so I'm going to use TI-84 plus calculator to do this problem. There's actually a really quick way to do it, but I'll kind of avoid going there for now. And I'm going to use row operations to find those values. All right. So first, we have to create a matrix. So you go to second, and then matrix here. All right. Then we want to edit. So go to the right. So edit, and you can use any matrix, but I'll use the first one. So I click 1. All right. And the matrix we're going to need is 2 rows and the 4 columns. So you have a 2, enter, and 4, enter. Right? So number would be, right, you have a 2, -3, -3, 2. So you just type in row by row. We type in 2, enter, and the -3, enter, and -3, enter, and 2, enter. Right? The second row is 3, enter, -1, enter, and the -1, enter, and the 10, enter. Right? So we're done. So I'm gonna just go back, and so second quit. We'll go back to the regular screen. Then I'm going to bring the matrix out. So you have a second matrix. Then we have 1. Right? Then hit enter. Right? So this is the matrix. You have 2, -3, -3, 2, 3, -1, -1, 10. Right? So what we want to do is we want to get the 1, 0, 1, 0. Right? So first operation I would do is I'm going to divide the top row by 2, right? Then see what we can get. So to do that, we go to second and a matrix, and we want to do a math. So you go to right once, right? Then we're gonna hit up, right? So what we're gonna do is multiply row. So it's going to be E right there, right? So we have that. Then we're going to multiply by 1/2. So I'm going to put the 1/2. So I guess we can do 1/2. Right? Then you put comma. Right? Matrix is A. So I'm going to just say, since A is the last answer, I can go to second and then this a negative sign. So this is the previous answer. And then comma. Alright, so we're going to multiply by 1/2, and we have to specify which row. So I'm going to specify that it's going to be a first row, and right parenthesis, and then hit enter. Alright, so now we get 1 here. Alright, the next step is I'm going to turn 3 into 0. So what we're going to do is multiply row 1 by -3, add it to row 2. Alright, so let's do that. So we do second matrix, right? Then we want to do math, and you're going to go up, right? Multiply row and plus. So this is what we're going to use, right? So multiply row by -3, right? Then you have to specify if you're working on which matrix. So I'm going to do a second and the negative sign, which is the previous answer, right? And we're going to multiply the first row, so first row, and add it to the second row. Alright, so you're going to get that. Alright, so you see that we got 1, 0 already there. Alright, what we want to do next is I'm going to turn this into 1, so I'm going to divide through by 3.5. Alright, so I'm going to do second matrix. Alright, we're going to do math and go up. Alright, so I'm going to multiply row, so go to E, right? So we're going to multiply by 1/3.5. So I'm going to do 1/3 3.5, right? Then comma, then previous answer, right? Then we're gonna multiply the second row, so you put 2 there, right? Then hit enter. Right, now we got 1 there. Right, now we want to turn negative 1.5 into 0. Right, so we're gonna multiply second row by positive 1.5, add it to row 1. So we can go to second matrix, right, and we're gonna do math and then go up and add on plus. So here, enter. All right, we're gonna multiply by 1.5. And then we're going to work on the matrix, so previous answer. Right? Then we're going to do multiply the second row and by 1.5 and add it to the first row. So you put 2, 1 and then hit enter. Right? So now we have 1, 0, 1, 0, which is exactly what we want. Right, then A value shows up here. A is 0, and B is 4, C is 1, and D is 2. So let's type it in. So we get 0 here, and 4, and 1, and 2. Right, so that's the answer. So let's see if we can got the right answer. Check the answer. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.